Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a '55 Chevy Gasser. Gonna turn it into something special, and not really crazy about that windshield color, but see what we can do about that. The rest of this car looks pretty awesome. All right, let's get started. Drilled out the post, went ahead and stripped it, and this is what we're working with. Gonna leave those wheels alone. They're looking pretty good. Interior looks pretty good. Windshield, I'm going to go ahead and paint that a different color. And we got the body. Looks pretty good. We'll take it to the paint shop and we'll be right back. We started with this. And we ended up with this. Just kidding. I made some decals up last night and went ahead and put them on the DeLorean from yesterday. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like all finished up. So let me know what you think of the DeLorean, and let me go ahead and throw that '55 Gasser up next. And we finished up with this. Okay, that finishes up our video for today. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the little bell for future notifications. Appreciate your comments. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later.